You ever see somebody get pulled over and there's like 4 or 5 cop cars? And it's like, you think, there's my tax money at work. I mean, what do we need that many vehicles, that many people for one guy in a truck? I can see maybe 2 cars, maybe extreme cases 3 cars. But 4 or 5 cars? Well, I don't know. It's just a white pickup. And we got multiple groups out here. We got 3 sheriffs and 1 Austin police. I mean, what could be so important? It's crazy. A lot of cars for one vehicle. Makes you wonder. I can see calling in the sheriff, but calling in 4 sheriffs? Wow. It's your tax money at work, whatever's going on there.